Alhamdulillah wa kafa wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulil Mustafa Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ahli safa wal wafa. Amma ba'd, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I give thanks to Almighty Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. May the peace and blessing of Almighty Allah be upon our noble Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his household and his companions. Inshallah, bi qudratullah, today's sermon, I want to discuss with us the general issue, the issue on ground, which is this upcoming election. So many people, they have been asking me, Arridowy, what will you say about this? What will you say about that? So inshallah, bi qudratullah, I decided to do this lecture to enlighten my followers, especially the Ummah of Islam, the all Muslims, to enlighten us on this upcoming election. Inshallah, biqudratullah, when I go through proper recitation of my books, of the books of the scholars, I read so many books, and also I asked some of my scholars, so many of my scholars, I asked them about this. So, and after doing all this proper research, I find out that there is a الاختلاف بين العلماء في الاختلاف بين العلماء. There are some scholars, they say that we can vote, that it is halal for us to vote, and some scholars, they say no, there is no voting in Islam, that we cannot vote, that voting in Islam is haram. So inshallah, because I'm not here to do fatwa, I'm not here to do fatawa, I'm just here to enlighten us. Because if you see this voting, if you see that it is haram, in as some scholars says, so we also see some scholars that say that it is halal, that we can vote, that there is not a bad in it, that even like a Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen, they say it is compulsory for us to vote. So that is why I'm here to encourage those who are going to vote among the Ummah of Islam. We that we are going to vote, whoever we want to vote for, whichever party that we want to vote for, we should have it in mind that it is only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that will select someone to rule this Nigeria for us. We ourselves, you cannot select anybody. We just have to try our best. So don't predict, my brothers and sisters in Islam, don't predict anybody that this is the person that we win. By doing that, you have a sin. Yes, by predicting that this is the person that we win, or this is the person that must win the election, wallahi, you are having a sin, my brother and sister. You are having a sin by doing this. Don't predict anybody. Just vote for your choice, the person that you think that can do the work properly, perfectly, that you yourself, you think in your mind that this person can do it in a way, in such a way that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can make him as a sabab. So that is the person you're supposed to vote for. Don't conclude in your mind that this is the person that must win, or this is the person that will win. No, that is not Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have already let us to know that we know nothing about the unseen. So don't prove yourself as someone that know about the unseen, that know about ilm al-ghaib. So if you are by predicting, by saying that this is the person that will win, that means that you are proving that you know about ilm al-ghaib. No. Just keep this in your mind. Keep it in your mind that when this person win, if you do so thing, if you do, yes, that is a human being. That is a human being for you. We keep enjoying it in our mind, even though we didn't confirm, we don't really know that it's going to happen, but we keep it in our mind, having an intention that it's going to happen. So that is a human being for you. You keep it in your mind, you will be enjoying it in your mind. Yes, that is how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us. So we keep something in our mind, we will be enjoying it in our mind, we will imagine. You understand? So that is a human being for you. We like imagination, that imagine this person enter. you first do my the road to my village. So as you used to imagine that, imagine I married this beautiful girl. Imagine I married this beautiful lady. You know how you know how you will be enjoying, how you will be enjoying it in your mind. So this, there is no sin in it. There is no sin for doing that, but for saying it out that this person must enter, or this person is one that must enter, that this Nigeria will be better. No, just pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to let your own be better in Nigeria. You understand? And you also, you pray for Nigeria generally, but you don't decide, you don't calculate in your mind that this is the person that will enter. So if the person doesn't enter, will you kill yourself? No, you cannot kill yourself. Life continue. So just have it in mind that it is only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that can select for us, and He is the one that used to select only who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wish to be in that position of president will be in there. You understand? Only whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wish. Whoever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wish that is going to be there is the one that will be there. So we have no power, we have no any idea except what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wish. I hope with this viewpoint of mine, I'm able to convince you and not to confuse you to I mean to follow the proper way, which is that don't conclude in your mind that this is the person that you win, and also don't decide in your mind. Just try as much as possible vote for someone that you think that that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can use him as a sabab for the better Nigeria. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this as an act of ibadah from me and you that you listen to this. Please subscribe to the channel Arridowy Lectures TV and follow us on all social media platforms. Assalamu alaikum. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.